goodness, this hair. I think I need my essential worker, my beautician. This is the longest I've ever gone without a haircut in years. And I'm not here to talk about hair today, though. I am back at work, started Monday, just back in the office. Our offices aren't open to the public yet, but at least I'm away from home and I am back to work. Welcome to beautiful Oklahoma. So as you can see, this is not my Jeep. This is my daughter's vehicle. Well, it was my daughter's vehicle. She just bought her a newer vehicle. And so my husband and I have taken this one. It's a 2004 VW Bug. And it's a turbo diesel engine. And let me tell you, without it being in turbo, this thing can fly. I told my husband, this may get me a ticket. So I am driving this today. It's a kind of a bad weather day. I didn't want to get my Jeep out of the garage, so I'm in this today. We're going to see how it goes. I may drive it off and on and save mileage on my Jeep. Who knows? I was thinking today, okay, if I'm not in my Jeep and I'm not doing Jeep jabberings, what am I going to do? And I thought of several titles I thought about. I could do What's Bugging Me? Or I could do Just Bugging You instead of Jeep jabberings when I'm in this vehicle. So anyway, that's kind of an update on my life right now. Thought I would share just a little bit of my office here, my cubicle. This is my Disney corner. And my cubicle over here, I've got my Mickey Mouse Travis. And then, that's got my tea in it. Then I have my pink off-brand cup, but I did add some Disney bling to it. I like that saying, say yes to adventures. They are the best way to learn. So one thing I'm going to start doing daily while here at work is climbing these stairs. Getting a little exercise. So I kind of went up and down the stairs at a good little pace twice. And I can tell you, I feel the leg burn. May increase daily. Get my heart rate up a little bit. I normally get here early and walk the parking lot, but I'm going to start challenging those stairs. And now it's time for mid-morning snack. Tell you what, after being off or working at home for about 6 weeks, it's hard to get back into the routine and the swing of things. So it's been a challenging, let's see, 2.5 days so far. But we're gonna make it. this is how we all park when a hailstorm is threatening to hit. We take our hailstorm seriously around here. Oh, lightning, thunder. This takes real skill, y'all. The reason why all of our cars are squeezed together under this awning here at the office. Two trucks, two cars, and a Jeep under this awning. Thank you so much for joining this little adventure with me today. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you later.